the cutoff and all things, let me show you the short clip of the NIT Goa. And very large campus and clearly visualized, and all the curriculum activities you have already visualized, that what is the hostel, scope of hostel and all things, great, marvelous, and you are basically really motivated for the NIT Goa and become enthusiastic to go to NIT Goa. Moving to our next section, what are the courses or how can you get into this college? So to get into this, you must have valid JEE main rank. I will show you the cutoff in just 10 seconds, that what will the expected and exact cutoff for the NIT Goa. So before moving to that, let me show you the number of the courses that is provided by the NIT Goa. So these are the courses, okay. So the JOSA counseling, you can easily get into this, and you have to give the JEE main exam. So what are the courses that is offered by the BTech courses? Is the CSE Computer Science Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Civil Engineering and Mechanical Engineering. So these are the important courses that is provided by the NIT Goa. Moving to our next very important section, what is the scope of research work? So again, this college providing the marvelous support for the research work, and continuously they have a variety of scope in research. So they have also PhD courses and all things. So in terms of research, there are various publications in international and national level too. So no doubt these are the some details of the scope of the research work. So no doubt the marvelous college. Moving to our next very important, that is the cutoff. So what is the cutoff of the NIT Goa? So in the screen you are viewing the cutoff for the round 6, and this is the cutoff for the general and ST candidates. So for the BTech in CSC open state 11,419, for the home state 39,030. The BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering for the other state 14,241, and for the home state 59,590. For BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering 22,186, and for the home state 69,166. For BTech in Mechanical Engineering open state 28,232, for the home state 13,832. Okay. Sorry, 1,38,308, and for the BTech in Civil Engineering 41,019, and for the home state 469,961. You can easily get into the NIT Goa. That is the JEE main cutoff. For the SC candidates open state CSC 1919, for the BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering 3927, for BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering 5097, for BTech in Mechanical Engineering 6753, for BTech in Civil Engineering 6163. So these are the cutoff, JEE main cutoff for the round 6. So if you have these cutoff, then you can easily get into the NIT Goa. Now moving to our next very important section, that is the placement scenario of this. What are the placement scenario and the number of companies that visited? So this is the recent placement report of the NIT Goa, and number of companies so far visited is 128, number of students placed is 179, and number of offers 200 plus, that is marvelous, and highest CTC so far offer is 44 LPA, average CTC 13 LPA, that is marvelous, and top recruiter is Copnote. Besides that, various top MNCs companies such as Amazon, Adobe, Oracle came into this college, so have a great scope in terms of placement. So guys, this is a complete statistics of the placement, and this have a great support for the separate placement cell, providing the support to the student in getting the place to top MNCs company, and also most of the students got the internship, those who want. So that is all of the NIT Goa placement scenario. Moving to the last very important section, that is the fee structure. What is the fee structure for this college? So little bit costlier than the other NITs such as NIT Calicut. So what is the fee structure for the BTech? You have to pay 1,49,000 for the first year, and this is the all the fee structure of the NIT Goa. So little bit higher, but you can understand the importance of this college. Okay, so that's why it's high. Eligibility, I think you are very well aware of that. 10 plus 2 plus with 70%, 75% marks plus a valid JEE main rank that I have already said. So guys, this is all the complete review of the NIT Goa. I hope you are all doubt regarding this is clear, and you have got the clear vision of the NIT Goa, and whether you want to take admission or not, you are clearly aware. Okay, so no doubt guys, this is the marvelous college all over the India and topmost NITs. So guys, this is all the things. I hope I will cover all things. If you still have any doubt, then you can comment here. I will try to respond as soon as possible. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to share with your friends so they can also get help from this video. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.